Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now we are going to consider the examples based on row elimination method. Let's start with the numerical. So your question is determine the minimum state table and draw the state diagram. So given part is the state table. So we will draw here state table. It has given that it consists of present state, then x equals to 0 and then x equals to 1. After that, here next state and output. Here also given that next state and output. Present states given are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The next state and outputs are 1, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 4, 0 and 2, 0. After that 1, 0. Now the next state given for present state 1 is 1 and output is 0. Then 6, 1, 5, 0, 7, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0 and 3, 0. With the use of this table, you have to apply the row elimination method. You have to draw the minimized state table, and with the use of minimized state table, you have to draw the state diagram. So we will start our process. The first step is to find out the same number of states and the respective output. So if you see here, state 5 and 7 are same, their outputs are also same. So we can say that state 5 and 7 are equivalent. Now again we will search for any equivalent state. Here is the same 40, 40, 50, 50. Yes, we can conclude that this state 3 and state 6 are equivalent. States 3 and 6 are equivalent states. Now we will modify the state table and we will draw here the reduced form of the state table. So first column we will write present state, then we will write here next state for x equals to 0 and for x equals to 1. Then we will write output y for x equals to 0 and x equals to 1. So we are going to eliminate the row number 7 and row 6. Eliminate present state 7 and 6. So our table becomes present state 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The next state for x equals to 0 is 1, 1, 4, 1 and 2. For x equals to 1 is what? 1, 6, 5, 7 and 3. Output for x equals to 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And for x equals to 1 we have 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. In this way we have modified the table. This is your table 2. Now we have eliminated present state 6 and 7. So we will replace this 6 with the equivalent state. Equivalent state for 6 is what? 3. And equivalent state for 7 is what? 5. So this is our modified state table. Again we are going to search for the equivalent state. So we will search here. 1, 1 is there? No. 1, 3 is there? No. 4, 5, no. 1, 5, 2, 3, no. So there are no equivalent states now. We have to stop here. This becomes your final state table for the minimization with the help of row elimination method. With the use of this table, you have to draw now the state diagram. So we will draw here the state diagram with the modified version of the state table. This is your state 1, 2, 3, 4, and this becomes your 5. Now when x equals to 0, next state is 1 and output is also 0. When x equals to 1, next state is again 1 and output is 0. So in this way you have to mention. Now for state 2, when x equals to 0, next state is 1 and output is 1. And when x equals to 1, next state is 3 and output is also 1. Now focus on present state 3. When x equals to 0, next state is 4 and output is 0. When x equals to 1, next state is 5 and output is what? Again 0. Then we will focus on present state 4. So when x equals to 0, next state is 1 and output is 1. When x equals to 1, next state is 5 and here output is 0. Now we will focus on present state 5. This is the 5. When x equals to 0, next state is 2 and the output is also 0. Now when x equals to 1, the next state is what? 3. So we will draw here the next state. And the output is 0. So we will write here 1/0. So in this way you have to draw the final figure of the state diagram. This is your final minimized form of state table. We have used here row elimination method. And with the use of row elimination method, we have find out equivalent states, and after that we have eliminated the respective states. We got the minimized state table, and with the use of minimized state table we have drawn here the state diagram. This is all about the numerical based on the row elimination method. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.